Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let's see how to make our very own homemade creamy peanut butter. With just 4 simple ingredients, we'll create a delightful spread that's packed with flavor and nutrition. The health benefits of this delectable spread is so good. It's a fantastic source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. So let's get started. We are taking 1 cup of dry roasted peanuts, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, honey is a healthy substitute for sugar, and 2 teaspoons of peanut oil. Let's begin by adding the dry roasted peanuts to a blender. Make sure they are unsalted and without any added oils. Peanuts are nature's perfect snack. It's packed with plant-based protein, heart-healthy fats, and a rich blend of vitamins and minerals. Also, peanuts are an irresistible choice for both flavor and health. Pulse the peanuts until they start to break down into a coarse texture. This should take a few seconds. Continue pulsing for 30 more seconds. Now we can see the peanuts are blended to coarse texture. Now we can see oil start coming out from the peanuts and the texture becomes sticky. In this stage, let's add salt. This enhances the flavor. Next we are adding peanut oil. This will help create a smooth and creamy texture in our homemade peanut butter. Finally, adding the honey to the mixture. Honey not only adds sweetness but also offers various health benefits, including antioxidants and antibacterial properties. However, if you prefer, you can also use brown sugar as a substitute. Let's close the blender and continue pulsing for another 30 seconds. Blend the mixture for a few more seconds, until we achieve the desired consistency. We can adjust the blending time based on our preference for chunky or creamy peanut butter. And there we have it. Our very own homemade, healthy, creamy peanut butter, with no sugar and no preservatives. Peanut butter can be enjoyed in various ways. We can spread it on toast for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Also, it can be added to smoothies for a protein boost or used as a dip for fruits and vegetables as a tasty snack option. The possibilities are endless. Now that our homemade peanut butter is ready, let's talk about the health benefits of this delectable spread. It provides energy and can be an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Additionally, peanut butter contains monounsaturated fats, which is very good for heart health. It is also rich in dietary fiber, good for a healthy digestive system. We love to use peanut butter in our daily diet as a versatile and nutritious ingredient. Peanut butter adds a creamy and flavorful touch to any dish. With its high protein content and health values, it makes a satisfying choice for a balanced and wholesome diet. So go ahead and enjoy the goodness of peanut butter every day. With this tasty peanut butter, we can nourish our body with a delicious and nutritious treat. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and be sure to stay tuned for our next healthy recipe videos by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.